and then concludes again on D7, D7, okay? So from B5 to B7 and a full bend. Nice vibrato. Pick that bend note and then release and pull off back to B5. Then G7 and back to B5 and hold that note, nice vibrato. Okay, so next comes we'll do a little bend, but a double stop bend with our pinky and ring finger on the 7th G and B. Okay, bend both. And then hit the open D, because it goes to D7 there. Right? And let that all ring. And then we'll go, starts at A7, D5, and D7. And again a nice vibrato. 2, 3. That's about the count you have to hold it, okay? So listen to the recording.